Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies because now I'm a cooking channel. Hi. Yeah, okay. You're going to need half a cup of butter. As you can see here, that's 1 stick. Half cup of pumpkin puree, half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of molasses, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, a little spritz of kosher salt, and then a cup of chocolate chips. And you're also going to need parchment paper to put on your cookie tray so it don't get sister stuck. First things first, you take that ½ cup of butter and we are going to melt that up in that microwave. I put it in for 30 seconds. I think I did it 3 times, but here's that sped up because we don't have time for that. And yeah. You want it all melted because you don't want it all chunky or anything, because that's gross. Alright, now we're going to add some pumpkin, then both the sugar, and then some molasses, and then some vanilla. We're going to mix that all together, and then we're going to go to another bowl and do all the dry ingredients. So that's the flour, and the pumpkin spice, and the baking soda, and some salt, and we're going to whisk that together. Now you're going to put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and we're going to mix that together until it's a dough texture. Then we're going to add chocolate chips and then we're going to put it onto that pan right there. It's on a pizza tray because we broke. Yee! We love that life, don't we? It's fine, we're fine. And we're going to put that into the fridge for 3 hours to chill. And yeah, so now I'm just going to go chill. So now you're going to take the cookies out of the fridge and you're going to put them in that oven at 350 degrees. And you are going to put those in for 11 to 13 minutes. I put it at the lowest one because in worst case I just put them in longer and they're not burnt. Okay, so they are done. They are looking great and they tasted great. It was definitely fun to make and to eat, obviously.